Nice of the princess to invite us over. I hope she made lots of... Luigi, look! It's for... Dear pesky plumbers, the Koopalings and I have taken over the... The princess is now a... At one of my... I dare you to find her if you can. We gotta find the... And you gotta help us. If you need instructions on how to get through the hotel... Check out the...